Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss this pattern which is P shape. So without wasting time, let's get start. Take care ideally. Take a new file. See here, number of rows 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, number of rows are 7 and columns are 5. Okay, so 7 and 5. Okay, for row in range of 7 and for column in range of 5. Okay, so if some condition, then we want to print stars, then end equals to some condition, then else print space, then end is equals to comma. After each column we want to print a new line, so we have to some condition to print this. So see here, if column is 0, then we want to print, and for this stars. Okay, in row 0 we want to print star 4 times. Okay, 0 1 2 3. Okay, so condition is if column is equals to 0 or first column is equals to 0, then another for row is equals to 0 or row is equals to what is that, 0 1 2 3. Okay, and column in range of 0 to 4. Let's take in one bracket if row is 0 or column row is 3 and column value is 0 to 4, that is 0 to 3. Okay, so let's save this. For P. Okay, then run this model. I have to check, yeah, working fine. Then we want to put condition for this 2 stars. Okay, this 2 stars, if 0 1 2 3 4, fourth column, okay, in fourth column, or column is equals to 4, and row in range of 1, 3. See here, row is 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2 3. Okay, so 0, sorry, we have to change. Okay, 1 1 2 1 2. Okay, because 3 is not included in range. Okay, so run this model. If I hope it will work. Yeah, absolutely. Again, run this model. Yeah, perfectly, it's printing P. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then guys, please like, share and subscribe this video and my channel. Okay, thank you.